Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick video, I'll walk you through how to close your Chase bank account safely and step-by-step directly from your phone or computer. Let's get started. Step 1. Before closing your account, make sure the balance is zero. If there's money left, you'll need to transfer it out or withdraw it first using Zelle, an external bank, or ATM. Step 2. Clear any pending transactions or scheduled payments to avoid issues. Step 3. Now open the Chase mobile app or log in at chase.com. Step 4. Tap the menu icon, go to Secure Messages, and choose Start a New Message. Step 5. Under Topic, select Account Services. Then choose Close an Account. In the message box, request to close your specific account and confirm your identity details if needed. Step 6. Alternatively, you can call Chase at 1-800-935-9935 or visit a local branch with a valid ID to close it in person. Important tip: if you're closing a checking account with direct deposit, make sure to update your employer or services with a new bank account before closing. That's it. Your Chase account will be closed once all conditions are met. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more banking tutorials. Thanks for watching.